fires a shot of a similar size and weight to a small bird of prey called a falconet. It was popular on the battlefields of Europe. The falconet was also used by European colonists in the Americas. Let's go ahead and give a big round of applause. Good. Note also that much of the drill between the 1600s and 1800s was not much changed. There are still very similar roles. Nice. Very nice. Thank you, Kristen. Very nice, thank you very much. And to go ahead and hear those wonderful sounds of the 50 cal again, let's go ahead and let's let our Hellcat open up. He even demonstrated proper clearing technique, which makes me very excited to go ahead and see.
And it would have been used primarily against indigenous
So where we were in Massachusetts, it would be primarily against indigenous. In the case of the 1636 militia, on behalf of other indigenous, the Narragansett Nation asked the Massachusetts Bay Company for assistance against the Pequot Nation. All the while from
smaller stuff to be outside, yeah. That's easier to see. Yeah. Mason had 2 of these, and they just rotated the boxes up. You can imagine these guys were hoofing it.
Yeah.
I thought you had a lighter.
Keep on talking. It's fascinating to hear.
Yeah. So,
Very nice.
typically this is our rangefinder, artillerists. We're second out of the academy. First, the senior graduates of the academy went engineer, but artillery also needed math. Maybe not to the level of the engineers. So, but they also had these so-called cheat sheets to plan our.
That makes sense.
So I called for 1,400 round or 1,400 yards. So you have the elevation of 378. You would adjust that on the gun. Time of flight would be 4 3/4. You would get a fuse, snip it to 3 1/4, and we don't have the fuse out here, but it would go in. Our shells are over in our camp because we're doing demonstrations over there. But it would look something like this. This would be the fuse. I cut the fuse and put it in here. And so when the powder bag was down here, would not only put the shell out, but also set the fuse, and it would burn for that amount of time. So the Federals had a very good, precise manufacturing of the fuses. Confederates, not so much. They had a lot more issues with quality assurance, I guess, QA, quality assurance.
They have the
So it gets the lanyard taut. When he pulls the lanyard, pulls it, lights a match.
Hey, Lux.
Oh, here's one. Okay, great, thanks. So see the T-shape, or it's actually not really T-shape, but so when he pulls, this match-like compound goes off, lights the fulminate inside the tube. That goes down the touch hole and lights the charge. Yes, that's what they use. They didn't use a lint stock. There was a way to fire